I retired from the United States Army after a little over 31 years of service and decided I wanted to continue to serve my fellow citizens and stepped up to run for mayor. My biggest role is really to bring the village into the 21st century. We have no sewer system in the village, and we've put that in on Main Street to allow businesses to expand. We have an antiquated water system.
Water is our most precious resource, and if we don't have a clean, sustainable supply of water, a community withers. They cease to be able to advance and grow, attract, sustain the youth, and offer those opportunities.
Our water in people's homes comes out brown. It's 1938 unlined cast iron piping. The restaurants in the village have trouble serving fresh water. They have to bring in bottled water. People are having clothes destroyed in the washing machine. They have a lot of iron buildup in their toilets and sinks. It's destroying hot water heaters.
There was distribution issues as far as some flows, pressures, but ultimately we needed to provide a quality water source that the customers wanted to drink, that felt safe to drink, and also address the needs of an aging system.
The two parts of the water project that we're doing with JHA, the first part is the water distribution system, where we're replacing about 18,000 feet of old antiquated water lines. The second phase that we'll get into is the water treatment plant. We have about a 30-year-old water treatment plant that is not meeting today's Department of Health requirements.
These projects offer a unique opportunity because we get to work from the ground up. That's the planning phase through the funding acquisition. Today's projects are incredibly costly. We have to be knowledgeable on all aspects of a project, and that includes funding and helping them secure that funding. And working on this project with the Village of Odessa and its partners, we came alongside various organizations such as RCAP and other funding institutions that were out there that really were the spearheads in securing significant grants to make this affordable for the community.
Really, when it comes down to an obstacle, honestly, there wasn't one. And I have to attribute that strictly to JHA because they knew the process and how to get us from the planning grant to construction phase, making sure they hit all of the benchmarks required for funding along the way. So it was a very, very smooth project.
Communication is paramount to the success of the team and the client. We were fortunate through the Village of Odessa and our primary point of contact being Mayor Messmer to be held accountable for our communication efforts. It was essential that the client was updated, kept in the know on what major milestones were forthcoming, what his responsibilities and needs were to support the project, to support JHA, as well as to communicate with other agencies involved.
A construction project is not just about putting pipe in the ground. One of the things that I think is incredibly important with JHA is that I have a personal relationship with the owner of the corporation. You can reach out and talk to him. You can reach out and talk to the vice president. That everybody in JHA is down to earth, works with you one-on-one. Nothing gets passed off to somebody. They take ownership of every issue and they attack the issue. And it's not about the money, it's not about the profit, it's about making sure people have clean drinking water, doing things in the right order so that there are no glitches and hang-ups, and that the project can go off without a hitch. And that's what JHA is, they're experts at that.